Here's the answer for day 2, problem 1. Divide this trinomial by this monomial. The technique to divide by a monomial is to use the distributive property. Take the first term and divide it by the 5x. Take the second term and divide it by the 5x. Then take the last term and divide it by the 5x. Simplify each of these pieces. 25 divided by 5 is 5. X to the third divided by x to the first is x to the second when you subtract exponents. Now in the middle, 15 divided by 5 makes positive 3. X to the second divided by x to the first makes an x. Now over here on the end, negative 30 divided by 5 is negative 6. And x on top, x on the bottom cancels away. So this trinomial is our answer. Day 2, problem 2. This time we want to divide a trinomial by a binomial. So the technique is long division instead of the distributive property. We're going to start by filling in this term of the answer. To do that, you look at the leading term here and the leading term here. And ask yourself, x times what makes x squared? And what's needed is an x. Then multiply what you wrote down by this binomial and put the result underneath. X times x is x squared. X times 3 is positive 3x. Now subtract. Notice how the x squareds cancel away. If that didn't happen, then what that tells you is you had put the wrong thing up above to begin with. 15x subtract 3x makes 12x. Bring down the next term. Now let's divide again. The x into the 12x. X times what is 12x? We need a positive 12. 12 times x is 12x, and 12 times 3 is positive 36. Subtract, and you get 0. When the remainder is 0, that tells you you're done. The answer is x plus 12. One more comment about this problem, and you don't need to add this in your box. Because we got a remainder of 0, what we just figured out is that our trinomial factors as x plus 3 times x plus 12. Dividing polynomials is certainly related to factoring polynomials.